This leg of the SolidCAM World Tour has us in Massachusetts at Eastec. It's not easy being the best, but somebody has to fill the role, and we're happy to do it every single time.
SolidCAM team and the support that we give our customers.
It's the constant commitment to innovation.
Well, iMachining is this. Watch this in action. Low, underpowered spindle here, that's meant for wood.
It shouldn't be too hard to find us at booth 5245, because at SolidCAM, we always roll out the red carpet. And if you still can't find us,
look for the reactions to iMachining.
We should talk to the young generation.
Well, schools are key. Schools are teaching the kids, whether it's high schools or colleges.
Supporting at a tech school level, there's a gap of people leaving the trade to people coming in.
I think there needs to be a lot more hands-on training, primary schools, secondary schools.
More training in tech schools. We need to really promote tech schools. Well, it's trying to get young people enthused about manufacturing.
I think we need to get back into trades, teaching that in schools.